a toy car, bro. But I'm putting down pipes, bro. I'm happy I already ordered that, dude. I pre-ordered that. I bought the pipes before I even got the car, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. But welcome back to another video, boys. First POV in the M5s, literally the next day, bro. Luckily, I took PTOs this week, so I have like a ton of days off. But bro, oh my gosh, I wanted to. Oh my. Those pops are so disgusting. Even with stock, it's just so loud. Like there's 4 cats, bro, that I'm gonna get rid of. 4 cats. Imagine how much freaking louder it's gonna be. Woo! Dude, it's so amazing, bro. I'm gonna try to get some outside clips real quick. See how they sound. But bro, my gosh. This is, I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. It's so smooth, I just can't believe it. And knowing how my friends M5 sounds, I just literally cannot believe it. Anyways, thank you for all the support, guys. We've been freaking getting hella views, hella likes, hella everything. I don't know why I'm getting so many freaking views, but we sent it, boys. I said I was gonna do it, I freaking did it, and all I gotta say is all glory to God, bro. You know, I'm still gonna make a video of how I afford it, of course, right? It's not a good investment no matter what, but I'm just saying, if you guys want to buy one, it's pretty easy, and the only job you need is electrical, mechanical, and any blue collar job. And if you join a union, bro, it's even better for you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woo. No pops right there for some reason. Oh my goodness, bro. Dude, I feel so good. I'm so happy I got this car, boys. M5 comp, bro. Oh my goodness, dude. And I got warranty, bro. You already know, bro. This next year is gonna be freaking lit. I'm gonna post on my camera somewhere over here and let's send it, bro. Bro, you cannot tell me this does not look freaking sexy. What the fudge? Look how freaking... What the fudge? Oh my gosh! I actually freaking sent it, bro. I actually sent that. Dude, I'm so proud of myself, dude. I don't even care, bro. End the year expense. I said it and I did it. I can't wait to get my spoiler, my diffuser, maybe some side. Actually, no, the side looks fine. Front splitter for sure, but bro, the front is just so disgusting, dude. Honestly, it's so nasty. Yeah, if I look bulked up, boys, don't judge, man. This Christmas, I've been eating, dude. I've been eating so much, I don't even care, bro. Accomplishing my goals, making more money. It's all that freaking matters, bro. More income. Oh my gosh. Just imagine the downpipes, dude. This is all whack. I've experienced it with downpipes and intakes. This is literally garbage compared to what it's supposed to be, bro. Let's take this to the freaking streets now. Oh my gosh, it grips too good. It grips. Oh, there's a person on the freaking road. Sheesh, lady. Jaywalking to the extreme, dude. This road's sketch too. The speed limit's high here. Car from the outside look though, it looks like a freaking monster. It looks like a whole ass monster. Just the German shifts, bro. It's something about the German shifts is just so freaking beautiful. I need to get a freaking professional camera ready, bro. This guy in the Infinity behind me is like, oh my booty cheeks right now. But anyways, I'm gonna do one more pull, go back to the head cam. But the interior is nice, bro. Like, it's not like the G80s, of course, right? I really wish they did that. I wish they really implemented the G80s. But bro, I don't care, bro. It's all about the engine and the way it sounds. Oh my gosh. The one thing I can't wait for is to make this car look sexy. Oh my, you heard? Oh my gosh. Dude, this still, that lighting outside is amazing right now. Yeah, this guy in front of me is going like, dude, he's going 10 below. 10 below the speed limit, bro. Come on. I just need one more pull. Oh my gosh. No, I'm the only person in this neighborhood that has an M5, I think, bro. Because I've never seen one. Oh! This guy in front of me is going like extra slow on purpose or something. I can't wait for the downpipes, boys. Just wait for the downpipes, bro. You're gonna be happy to I bought this car. Right now, obviously, this car is like, it's an M5 still, right? But just imagine with downpipes. Smooth it is, bro. I was on the freeway the other day cutting it up, bro. Cutting up, it's not even cutting up in this freaking car. It's really not. It's so butter. I'm gonna go to a place where there's like close walls so I can freaking gas it one more time. Cause like I said, dude, the car is cool, but it sounds really whack with nothing on it. Like, I need to get those pipes out ASAP. All right, let's send it. Let's send. Oh my gosh, my boy. Oh my gosh. Oh, what the? Yeah, I'm gonna go speed limit in all my videos, bro. Dude, how do I get rid of this display? I need to customize that display somehow. This has too much information on there. Dude. Let's go, boys, we did it. We did it, bro. We ain't playing games out here, bro. We ain't playing games, bro. I told you and I did it. I stick to my freaking word, bro. That's what makes me really proud. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, if you guys want to go buy a house, bro. But I'm not trying to pay 7% on a house. Woo! Oh my gosh, I need the downpipes so bad. You don't understand. Like, every single day, it's only been my first official day of having it, and I'm like I don't regret ordering it early at all, bro. I like pre-order the pipes, bro. Literally pre-ordered it. That 0-60 is so disgusting. It's way too smooth. Sheesh, bro. Woo! So nasty, bro. So nasty. Oh my goodness. I just can't wait to do downpipes, boys. Be ready for that. Downpipes are coming in next week. I'm getting it done next week. Do the same day I get it, or next day. After that, I'm gonna be posting content. So until then, I'll have to wait. I'm not gonna be driving it as much as I want to, because, bro, you don't understand how much crazier it sounds with downpipes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. Dude, even the intakes are so quiet, bro. Let's go. I can't wait. I'm hyped. Let's get it. If you guys like the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.